Hello guys, it's your boy Psycho coming up with a new video. So I want to tell you what the banks told me. The banks told me the zones that were going to be liquidated. So I have them in my book. I read them. So I'm going to give you the information right now. Seriously, you guys thought that I have that information that the banks told me. No, the thing is simple. It's not all about that the banks told me, but the momentum of the market can show you that this zone is going to be liquidated and this zone might work out, because we don't have all the certainty that it's going to work out. Okay, we just have a clue about what price is about to do, and I've tested this. Where I say the market is going to, it goes. 70% of the time I'm right about the direction. I've been sending this information to the Telegram channel. So I think you guys, if you're part of the Telegram community, you see this all the time. So with that said, let's get started with the video. So I want us to start with the reasons why your zones are frequently liquidated. And this is the reason. First things first, you're against the trend. Most of the times when you're trading, you want to trade the correction and also you want to trade the impulse. So you're just around there. You want to pass the challenges first, yet you're not working with the trend. So as you guys know, the trend has to be your friend. It doesn't have to be your enemy. When you first started trading, I know this is the first thing your mentors told you. The trend is your friend. It doesn't have to be your enemy. If you make the trend your enemy, then you won't make money out of these markets. You very well know that even the people making the trend their friends, they are not making money. They are just looking at the markets, looking to work out. But it doesn't normally work out simply because they don't know the entry criteria. So me personally, in this video, I'm just going to be showing you what to do and how to get involved in the trend, because it's very hard to get involved in the trend if you don't have the right blueprint of price. So you need to know the footprint of the big money, the big wells, where they are heading at, and you get involved. So with this, we use the momentum based systems. We look at the higher time frame. What is the higher time frame showing us? If it's showing bullish, then on the lower time frames we just execute bulls. If we see reasons to buy, then we buy, because on the higher time frame it's showing us that we are certain we are going long. Then we also get involved in the longs. So the second thing why your zones are not working out, it's you don't confirm your zones. And this is a very common of most of the traders. They just look at the zones. Actually, most of the smart money traders, because even some retail, most of the retail don't use zones. They don't use supply and demand zone. But you guys, if price reaches your zone, you just FOMO into trades. You just want to take the trades. Hit, let's go. But finally, you just get taken out. Confirming your zones is very key to success in trading, because it reduces higher chances of taking an L. Yeah, losses are common in... Okay, let's continue. I had gotten a very urgent call. But anyway, regardless, we move. So, I'm still telling you, most traders don't confirm their zones. Okay? Yet, it's a very necessity. It's a very necessary key to profitability. So, if prices come into your zone, be patient and confirm the zones. Recently, I posted a video called the monk mode. Like, be patient as a monk. Have the monk-like discipline. Okay? Just be patient and do this confirmations. So next, I'm going to be talking about the footprint. What me myself I use to look at the zones that are going to be failing. Let me first do this on the textbook view. Let me say price is coming to the downside, okay? And let me do it in this fashion. Let me say price is going in an uptrend fashion, okay? And we get double breaks, as I told you in the recent video. I showed you that these double breaks confirm the change of trend. So let me say this is the higher time frame showing you this. So if I get involved in this region, let me say price is going back in this zone and continues to the downside, okay? And let me say it does something like this. So any zone at the low right here is all going to be invalid. And I know you guys know what I mean, because I've been talking about this a lot of times on my channel, actually public channel. So most people may be wanting to buy from these areas. Maybe that the market is overextended to the downside. They want to buy, they want to catch the bottoms. They want to buy low and sell high. You get what I mean? So these are the guys who want a price to come back in the zones, and then they sell the price. So if price is down here, they don't want to continue selling it. They want to buy it back in the zone and continue to the downside. And there are also other people, the support and resistance traders. They look at this as a beautiful opportunity to continue longs. Unfortunately, price is just going to liquidate all these guys. So the blueprint is simple. If you're going short, and let me say price has come into your zone, everything below towards the liquidity low is all liquidity. All the zones in these areas, all these zones are going to be swept. That's why I wrote, and I was like, the banks told me which zones are going to be liquidated. But I was kidding about that, guys. Don't call me an inside trader that I pick up information from the governments. No, I don't do that. Okay? I just get my simple zones. I get my confirmation. I ride the trend. I just follow the trend, because the big money move the markets. Me, myself, the small fish, I don't do anything about these markets. We just move. So if you see this, it's the banks telling you that price is going short. And before it gives you any confirmation, this is also liquidity, before it gives you any confirmation. But if it gives you confirmation and it starts flowing to the downside, it's kind of showing you that it's willing to continue to the downside. It's kind of building up a certainty that price is going to the downside. I'm not saying that we are 100% certain, but if it comes right here, it's supposed to liquidate all the zones down. This is enough liquidity to move the market, because they know people everywhere, this side, the downside, people are calling themselves smart money traders. They are all liquidated and all the accounts blown. So guys, try to be on the right side of price. So I've already showed you guys the right way to view price. I've showed you that if you get a double breaks, we know that price is just going to be liquidating lows. And this is not the first time I've been talking about this. I've talked about this months and months, and also on my Telegram I emphasize this. So if you're not part of the Telegram community, just join. The link is in the description, and be following with what we use and what we do to trade. So I think, guys, that's it. So let's go on the live chart. So as you guys are seeing, we have our chart on the higher time frame. If we go on the higher time frame, USD JPY is showing us that price is bullish. And I've been talking about this, yelling all this crap on this channel, telling you that price is going up, UJ is going up, UJ is going up. Buy, be buyers, don't be sellers. It has become like a song. If you're something like on the 30-minute or below, you're looking to buy. So you're seeing how these concepts are aligning up with the higher time frame. So if the higher time frame is showing you that it's bullish, that means the lower time frame is bullish. Don't force any sells. So you're seeing right here, we have a break, but as per my strategy, I see this as an Elliott wave break. So it's just a reaccumulation schematic. Like if price breaks once, it's just showing you that it's reaccumulating, going to the upside. So the zones that I'm seeing as if they're going to be liquidated, this zone right here, because most people are viewing this, they're placing a huge sums of money right here just to sell all this money, take it to the downside, fucking taking it all. So let me delete all this and I show you what I was talking about. So most people are willing to sell at this point, but me very well, according to the strategy that I trade, I see this as liquidity. That price is going to just liquidate, continue liquidating highs, to continue to the upside. It may break to the downside, but it's not showing you opportunities to sell. So most of the people may force shorts in this prevailing beautiful market, but it will never work out in the long run. Actually, you may get a beautiful setup to work with, but in the long run, it won't work out. You won't make any money. Guys, just use what I've told you in this. Let me actually show you another example, because I want to get done with this video. So you're seeing how this market broke down. Actually, it broke down once because the rule of retracement did not meet this point. As you guys are seeing, even the indicator is not showing it. I have the indicator showing how I view my structure, and that is all showed in the private mentorship. I don't want to waste a lot of time here because it's a very wide concept. I don't want to confuse anyone on this channel. You may be looking at any other structure vibe that you use. I won't give a detailed explanation about the cycle blocks on this channel because it's a very wide concept. So if you want to check it out, just subscribe to the mentorship. Everything is in the description. We have our first break. Most people are selling, sell. So they have their zones right here. They have their first zone. I'm showing you how everything was liquidated. They have their second zone. Maybe also this flippy dippy right here. But as what we know, their time frame is bullish. Therefore, also lower time frames, we should be bullish. So everything here, all these were just liquidity snacks. I was just seeing beautiful liquidity. So if you wanted to just get involved, this was a beautiful way to get involved. Actually, there was a beautiful opportunity. If I see. Beautiful. This was a very beautiful way to get involved in this market. Though I don't get involved on the 30 minutes, I get involved on the 1 minute. That's why these opportunities are very small. You can't see them on this time frame because it's the lower time frame, 1 minute. So you would have gotten involved, beautiful, that way. So you're seeing how you're profiting by just eating other people's stop losses. All these are stop losses. Trust me, most people are selling from these regions. So with all that said, allow me to enjoy my weekend in peace. I've provided enough value to you this week, so you should just have fun with your weekend. May God bless you all.